Hey everyone! In today's video, we're uncovering a golden nugget of wisdom, the one personality trait every woman finds irresistible. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, there are countless traits people find attractive: confidence, humor, kindness. But research and real-life experiences point to one trait that stands out above the rest. What is it, you ask? Drum roll, please. It's confidence. Before you roll your eyes and think, yeah, I've heard that before, stick with me. We're going to break down exactly why confidence is so magnetic and how you can develop it, even if you don't feel naturally confident right now. Studies have shown that confidence not only makes you more attractive, but it also impacts how others perceive your competence and trustworthiness. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality, individuals who display confidence are often seen as more capable and charismatic. But let's get real. Confidence isn't about being the loudest person in the room or having all the answers. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, embracing who you are, and not being afraid to show it. So how do you build this magical trait? Here are 3 actionable tips to boost your confidence and make it a natural part of who you are. First, embrace your uniqueness. There's no one else like you on this planet, and that's your superpower. Celebrate your strengths and don't be afraid to share your quirks. Authenticity breeds confidence. Think about it. When was the last time you felt genuinely attracted to someone who was trying too hard to fit in? Probably never. It's the unique qualities that draw us in. So start seeing your differences as assets rather than flaws. Second, step out of your comfort zone. Confidence grows when you challenge yourself. Whether it's trying a new hobby, speaking up in meetings, or approaching someone new, every step outside your comfort zone builds your confidence muscle. Think of it like going to the gym. The more you work out, the stronger you become. Similarly, the more you push your boundaries, the more your confidence will grow. Lastly, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Everyone has doubts and fears. It's okay to make mistakes. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. This helps build a strong, confident inner voice. Self-compassion isn't about letting yourself off the hook. It's about recognizing that being human means being imperfect. By acknowledging your mistakes and learning from them, you can move forward with greater confidence. Now let's dive a little deeper. Confidence can be split into 2 types: external and internal confidence. External confidence is what we often see: speaking clearly, maintaining eye contact, and having a good posture. But internal confidence, which is rooted in self-belief and self-worth, is what truly makes the difference. External confidence can be faked, but internal confidence comes from within. It's about knowing your value regardless of external validation. When you have internal confidence, it radiates outward and becomes truly irresistible. Another important aspect is the mindset shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, which naturally boosts confidence. On the other hand, a fixed mindset can limit your potential and keep you stuck in your comfort zone. Carol Dweck, a renowned psychologist, has done extensive research on this topic. She found that individuals who believe their abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication are more resilient and confident. Here's a quick exercise. Think of a situation where you felt unsure or lacked confidence. Now, reframe that situation in your mind. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, think, I can't do this yet. This small change in perspective can make a huge difference. Confidence also comes from preparation. Whether it's a job interview, a first date, or a public speech, being well prepared can significantly boost your confidence. Know your material, practice, and visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool used by top athletes and performers. By imagining yourself succeeding, you condition your mind to believe it's possible, which in turn boosts your confidence. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And believe me, the impact on your relationships and how others see you is profound. So, the next time you wonder what makes someone truly attractive, remember, it's not just about looks or charm, it's about confidence. Embrace who you are, step out of your comfort zone, and be kind to yourself. That's the secret sauce. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on attraction and self-improvement. Drop a comment below on what confidence means to you, or share your own tips for building it.